IKEA's PESTLE analysis. Introduction. Starting the analysis of IKEA, it is critical to investigate the sector in which it works, its basic peculiarities, its competitors, and the target audience's characteristics. First, the brand can be characterized as a multinational group that designs, manufactures, and sells ready-to-assemble furniture, home accessories, kitchen appliances, and other goods used to decorate or improve dwellings. At the moment, IKEA holds a leading position in the world as the major furniture retailer, and the tendency is preserved in the United Kingdom because of the popularity and recognizable image of the organization. It is focused on young and fashionable consumers who follow modern trends and will buy the products offered. The focus on this target audience presupposes adherence to a particular model and stylistics to preserve the high level of interest in the proposed goods. PESTLE. To better understand IKEA's current position, a PESTLE analysis should be performed. This provides an opportunity to consider multiple factors impacting the firm at the moment. Political. Political factors should be considered a significant force that affects the further development of the brand. The fact is that IKEA is a global company that functions in many states worldwide. For this reason, to remain within the legal environment of the United Kingdom, it has to consider the existing taxation rules and demands of companies that are accepted in the country. At the same time, export, import, and other significant laws should be taken into account. Nevertheless, at the moment, there are no significant barriers in the country that might hurt the further evolution of IKEA as it acts in accordance with the regulations established by the United Kingdom government. The stability of the state and its laws can serve as a beneficial factor in promoting the further improvement of the brand's position in the area. Economic. IKEA has to consider the current economic showings of the state in which it wants to operate, such as economic growth, inflation rates, stability, unemployment, and individual income. For this reason, its functioning in the United Kingdom can be taken as a desired option because of the reliability of the state's economy. At the moment, it is one of the world's most effective models characterized by high trustworthiness, stability, and interest. The currency, Libra, is also recognized as a potent financial tool that can be used at the international level. Citizens of the United Kingdom have a stable and comparatively high income, which means that their bargaining power increases. That is why the given factors should be considered beneficial for the future success of the brand. Social. This aspect represents current values and demographic characteristics of the population that impact their decision-making and buying preferences. Analyzing this factor, one can observe the beneficial situation for IKEA's development. Today, people in the United Kingdom are conscious of a particular lifestyle that emphasizes their individuality and specific attitude to decoration. For this reason, the popularity of the brand in the country remains high and even increases. IKEA meets the current demands of community members for unusual, creative, bright, and affordable furniture that will help them to self-actualize and make their dwellings look unique. That is why the firm's marketers can succeed in attracting new populations and increasing sales by emphasizing the ability to adhere to a particular lifestyle when buying IKEA's goods, appliances, or other products. Technological. IKEA recognizes the critical importance of technological factors for its performance and success. As has already been stated, it is focused on the promotion of its products among the representatives of the young generation who appreciate unusual and innovative solutions. For this reason, the company invests a significant amount of its funds in the development of technology incentives that would help to create new products that look even more attractive to the youth because of the combination of various aspects. Additionally, IKEA constantly launches new lines that combine the freshest perspectives on design, furniture, and sustainability with the primary aim of meeting the diverse demands of its customers. For this reason, technology can be considered a facilitator of the brand's further evolution. Legal. There are several issues that IKEA should monitor to avoid the emergence of legal claims. First of all, it should create appropriate working conditions for employees belonging to facilities placed in the United Kingdom to ensure that they meet the existing demands. The brand emphasizes the fact that no child labor or any other illegal forms of exploitation are utilized, which means that there are no discrimination or employment laws that can be associated with its functioning and further development. Environmental. IKEA also tries to achieve high sustainability levels. In accordance with its reports, the company uses only safe and clear raw materials to create its products. It means the absence of possible claims regarding the deterioration of clients' health. At the same time, the brand invests in the development of renewable energy in poorer nations to meet their demands for it. By creating solar and wind panels, the company wants to replace traditional sources with renewable ones, which is critical regarding the increased demand for sustainability. These factors show the focus on the promotion of various environmentally friendly approaches that improve the brand's image globally and contribute to its becoming a leader in this sphere. In such a way, the given PESTLE analysis shows that the position of IKEA in the United Kingdom remains stable. It apparently possesses a particular competitive advantage over its rivals because of the absence of certain negative factors that might limit its further development and evolution. For this reason, one can predict the future empowerment of the firm and its dominance in the selected market segment.